Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 21, 2021. Let's start with international news. Rus- Russia plans to launch own space station after quitting ISS. Russia is ready to start building its own space station with aim of launching it into orbit by 2030 if President Vladimir Putin gives the go ahead. The head of his Roscosmos space agency. The project would mark a new chapter for Russian space exploration and an end to more than 2 decades of close cooperation with the United States aboard the aging International Space Station ISS. Chad's president death. Chad President Idriss Deby dies after clash with rebel. Idriss Deby, who ruled with the Iron Fist for 3 decades and had just secured his sixth term in office, was considered by the West a linchpin in the fight against Islamist extremism in Central Africa. He has been killed on the front line against rebels in the north. The new leader of Cuba's ruling Communist Party may be the first born after its 1959 revolution, but he is also a royalist who is not expected to make significant changes to its one party system and has also only tentatively on market system economic reforms. Since succeeding his mentor Raul Castro 89, a president in 2018, Miguel Diaz-Canel 60 has emphasized the need for continuity over renewal. UK extends G7 for foreign ministers meeting invite to India. India is among the guest countries invited to join part of the G7 Foreign and Development Ministers meeting to be hosted by the UK next month. The Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office FCDO, the meeting in London will be the first person summit of the foreign minister of the group seven countries Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, US, and UK, as well as the European Union, and will be held in what has been dubbed a COVID secure way between May 3rd and 5th. National news. Italy launches first ever Meha food park in India. Italy launched its first ever Meha food park project in India involving food processing facilities as the two-side plan to expand ties in the backdrop of PM Narendra Modi's proposed visit there. The pilot project Meha Food Park was launched in virtual mode with the signing of letter of intent between ICE office in Mumbai and Fanidhar Meha Food Park in Gujarat. This is the first Italian Indian Meha Food Park project, an initiative in the food processing field, which is a pillar of the partnership between India and Italy, as stated at the summit between two prime ministers held last 6th November. Manas Mental Health and Normalcy Augmentation System app. Manas was endorsed as a national program by the Prime Minister's Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council PMSTIAC. It is an overarching council that facilitates principal scientific advisory advice office to access the status in specific science and technology domains, comprehend challenges in hand, formulate specific intervention, develop a futuristic roadmap, and advise the Prime Minister accordingly. Priyanka Mohit becomes first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna. Priyanka Mohit on April 16 became the first Indian woman to scale Annapurna, the 10th highest mountain in the world. Priyanka also holds a record for being the first woman in India to scale Mount Makalu, the fifth highest mountain in the world, at 8485 meters. Scaling new heights has been a familiar tough for Priyanka has also climbed the world highest peak Mount Everest 8849 meters in 2013, Mount Lhotse in 2018, Mount Makalo and also Mount Kilimanjaro in 2016. 2017 to 2018, Maharashtra government honored her Siva Chhatrapati Award. Cabinet OK's subsidy for urea produced via coal gasification. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs on Tuesday approved the subsidy for urea to be produced by the state-run Talcher Fertilizers as said soon to be commissioned Odisha facility. This will be only plant to produce nitrogenous soil nutrient through coal gasification route. The center pays subsidy on urea to fertilizer manufacturer on the basis of cost of production at each plant, and the unit are required to sell the fertilizer at the government set maximum retailer price. The Telcha Fertilizers, a joint venture of Coal India and Guide Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizer Corporation of India, is setting up the 1.27 million ton per annum capacity urea plant based on coal gasification technology in Odisha with an estimated investment of rupees 13,277 crore. Annamaya Tribal Health Collaborative. Minister of Tribal Affairs has launched the Tribal Health Collaborative Annamaya through a video conference. In 2018, an expert committee released a comprehensive report on tribal health in India, which highlighted the issues and concerns of tribal health. It is an initiative bring together governments and philanthropists, national and international foundation, non-governmental organization or community-based organization to end all the preventable deaths among the tribal communities in India. It will convey the effort of various government agency and organization to enhance the health and nutrition status of tribal communities of India. Rare seed crushing stone found in Kanjipuram district. A rare stone has been found in Vinnamangalam village near Uttaramerur in Kanjipuram district, buried in the soil it's belonged to 15th century. Niti Aayog launched Indian Energy Platform version 2.0. Niti Aayog launched recently the Indian Energy Platform version 2.0. This includes countries use pricing, manufacturing, single window for data related to energy distribution, providing access will also provide data from some programs such as Saubhagya, Pratapi, Ujwala, and Power Prava. Indian Energy Platform version 1.0 was launched in 2017. Nano Stiffer, a micro sensor based explosive trace detector. Union Education Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant, he launched Nishant Nano Stiffer, the world first micro sensor based explosive trace detector developed by NanoStriff Technologies, and IIT Bombay incubated the startup. Director IIT Delhi, Sri V. Ramagopal Rao, and senior officials of the ministry were presented on the location while launching. Piyush Goyal launched DGFT Trade app to promote ease of doing business. The app has been developed by Data Consultancy Services TCS as per direction of DGFT. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal stated that the trade facilitation app is ready for Industry 4.0 as it provides real-time trade policy updates, notification, application, status alerts, tracking help request, explore item wise export import policies and statistics, track ICE, that means import and export code portfolios. Expected questions. Which country is planning to set up own international space station? Answer Russia. Who is the first president of who is the sixth president of Chad country? Answer Idris Deby. Question number 3. who has been elected as a new leader of the Communist Party in Cuba? Answer: Miguel Diaz-Canel. Question number 4. When is the G7 Foreign Ministers Conference to be held? Answer: May 3rd to 5th. Question number 5. In which Indian state Italy to be set up first Italian Indian food park? Answer: Gujarat. Question number 6. What is the name of mobile application site created to enhance adult brain development? Answer: Manas. Question number 7. Who climbed the country's 10th highest peak Annapurna and made a watermark in history? Answer: Priyanka Mohit. Question number 8. Which company is to use the new technology of producing urea in coal-based technology? Answer: Telcher Fertilizers. Question number 9. Which organization was created to improve the health and nutrition status of indigenous community in India? Anmaya, it's a scheme. Anmaya, it's a scheme. Which year did Niti Aayog launch the site of Indian Energy Quality version 2.0? Answer: 2021. What is the name of the device that detects small explosive based on microsensor? Answer: nanostiffer. Which question number 12? Which institution invented small explosive of micro sensor? Answer: micro nanostiff technologies. Question number 13. Who introduced the Trade Facilities app in the Directorate of Foreign Trade? Answer: Piyush Goyal. For daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the regular notification. Thank you.